Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is going to be a huge Dollar Tree haul. That's right, it's huge, and most of it's groceries. So let's get started. Everything I bought. So the first thing, I'm just going to go randomly one by one because I have everything scattered. I picked up some of these Farmer John maple sausages. Now, if you love maple sausage, try this. It's so good. You don't even need oil or anything. You just start frying it. All the juices and the liquids will come out. It's full of maple flavor. It's so good. I don't just use it for eggs. I can use it for anything. So I like the maple sausages. And I did buy a whole bunch of them. But like I said, I'm going randomly piece by piece from what's in the bags. I got some, a bag right here of the chicken nuggets. Then I got another thing of chicken nuggets. These are real chicken, guys. Real chicken. So I got those. It's not fake like McDonald's. Right here, I got this box from Loretta. This is the coating mix for chicken. Crispy oven style. So I just picked up one of those. I believe I picked up 4 of these pepper stir fry. So I got 4 bags. Pepper stir fry. Uses in everything. And I mean everything. I like to fry with so much stuff. You can make Chinese stuff. Like yesterday I made some Chinese egg fried rice, homemade. You could put this with pasta. You could put this with anything. So I got those. I got 4 bags of the pepper stir fries. Here's another thing of the, here's another thing of the Farmer John's. Look, the box got squished. Of maple sausages. Here's another one. Here's another one. And then another one. Love these. They also have an original one, like a plain one without maple. I got, let's see. I got a whole bunch of the pot stickers. These are so good, guys. So I got the chicken and vegetable pot stickers. I believe, yeah, I think I got 3 or 4 of each. So I got, right now, I'm just, like I said, I'm going randomly through the bags. So just bear with me. Okay, I got the 3 things of pot stickers right here. The chicken ones. Let me see if I can reach over. Let me put this aside. Then I got the pork ones, which is in the peach bag. The pork and vegetable pot stickers. These are so good. Let's see if I can squeeze this over. Whoops. Okay. I got a whole bunch of canned goods of chicken and turkey. So this is the white chicken in the can. White chicken in a can. Then I bought, this is the white turkey in a can. Oops. White chicken in a can. I got more white chicken in a can. I bought one of these Bolero. This is the clay facial mask, the bamboo and rose water. Got me one of these again. I got 2 boxes of thin spaghetti. Let's see if I can slide that over. Such as a mess. I got a thing of Worcestershire sauce, whatever how you pronounce it. I got some Worcestershire sauce. I got some Northside dishes. This is the Alfredo. They always sell like a certain type. They don't have any other flavors at Dollar Tree. So I just grabbed the Alfredo. And it's not like my homemade. My homemade is way better because I make it with cream cheese. That's just a plain one. I got some pizzas. This is the combination pizzas, microwavable. So I got 2 of the purple box. Let's see if I can slide this over. I got some more chicken nuggets. 2 more bags of chicken nuggets here. Oops, got a whole bunch of stuff here, guys. Got some grated Parmesan cheese. I got 2 of these. These are the Vienna sausages, but these are the chicken ones. In Spanish, they're salchichas. So I got the little salchichas. These are the chicken ones. Chicken is polo. So I got polo salchichas. That's what they are. Those are chicken flavored. Then I picked up this box right here. It's a smaller size, but this is Scope Whitening Crest Toothpaste. Then I picked up this overnight detoxing cream. This is the bamboo and rose water scent from Bolero. Got a thing of the Baker's Choice soft white bread. just like that. I picked up this big bag. It's frozen. It's hard. A bag of tater tots. So these are the tater rounds. These are tater tots. Got a thing of soy sauce. This is the big heavy name brand, La Choy soy sauce. That's the original. I got a container again. I have so many of these of the Japanese style breadcrumbs. And this is not authentic Japanese. It's from an Italian company, but it's still Japanese. So this is the Japanese panko breadcrumbs. So good. I got 2 boxes right here. I bought more of them from the Dollar Tree. This is the hamburger helper. This is the Philly cheesesteak ones. A lot of their hamburger helpers are plain, so I put my own spin to it. I put my own flavoring, my own meat, onions. I put cheese, all kinds of stuff. Crunchy onion toppings, all that good stuff. I got 2 bags right here. 2 bags of the long grain white rice. I have over maybe 1,000 pounds or more of rice in my house. So I like to prep. Like I said, I have over 10 years, maybe more, 20 years of supply of a lot of groceries and food. It's just crazy. But I still overstock anyway. I love to buy so much stuff that I never run out. So I got that, and I also get free stuff. And then here, I picked up the toner again. This is the Bamboo Rosewater Bolero Facial Toner. Picked up one of those. I got this Michelina's penne with white chicken. TV dinner. I got another thing of the chicken pot stickers. And there goes the pork pot sticker. So I actually bought 4 of each. 4 pork, 4 chicken. Here's another Alfredo pasta side. I got more of these lighted up chargers for my phone, cell phone. My son and me like these. They light up. So this is the pink, the green, and then I got the blue. We were wondering if they had any other colors like all white or purple. They don't have any of those. So I got more of the Farmer John's maple sausages again. Here's another penne with white chicken. Love these. And then I got 2 more of these pizzas, but this is the 3 meat. So they're 3 meat. And these are just quick and easy to heat up. I got another thing of Knorr side dishes, Alfredo side dishes. And then I picked up 2 boxes right here of the New Orleans style jambalaya rice. See what this one's about. I'm not sure if I tried that yet before. And then I got more canned goods. I got another thing of, whoops, it's upside down. Another thing of chicken. Then I found these. These are like vegetable stew with beef. So it's like beef stew in a can. Those are good for your storage. And then I got some Hormel tamales. These are like $3 at my grocery store, and I always get them at the Dollar Tree when I see them. This is not even real tamales. Tamales don't look like that. But anyway, this is chicken and chili sauce tamales. That's the American style. Got some cream cheese. Got another thing of beef stew. I got 2 boxes of these deluxe mac and cheese. They're not like the best, but they're still okay. You know, I like to put stuff in it to give it more flavor, but it's still cheesy. So I got some deluxe mac and cheese. I picked up a Cajun, Kingsford Cajun style seasoning. Just picked up one of those. Here's another thing of grated Parmesan cheese. Here's another can of, this one's turkey. Some more beef stew. Oh, I'm sorry, this is chili. I'm sorry, tamales. Tamales, okay. Then I got another thing, but this is white turkey in a can. I got these. This is like a bigger, heavier can. This is salchichas, but they're like cut up. So they're called Vienna bites. You know, the little Vienna sausages, and these are cut up. So these are good to throw into anything. And here's another can of chicken. Here's another thing of the Vienna sausages, but chopped up. Another can of turkey. I got some Suave green apple conditioner. And then I got the shampoo. Smells so good. I got this for my son. And then I got some SpaghettiOs with meatballs. These ones have the meatballs in them. And then the last can is the one with the meatballs. So that's it, guys. This is all the stuff I bought at Dollar Tree today. Thanks for watching this huge haul. It's not really huge because last time I spent $1,000 in Dollar Tree. But anyway, thanks for watching this haul. And I will talk to you guys later on. Have a good day, guys. Bye.